What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to solve a common box body issue today, and we're also going to do a couple of tips, and yeah, it's going to be a great one. Real quick, guys, if you have not checked out my brand new brand horsepower sweepstakes, we are off to the races. We're rolling. It's a hell of a great great platform with incredible odds, and worked really hard on this to get this going. So make sure you check it out. Link is below. Looking forward to our very first giveaway of many, so it's going to be epic. But anyway, let's get into the issue. So if you saw the first drive in the video that I just posted up, Pop's car has some serious wheel hop issues, and we're going to solve that problem today. We're going to talk about what causes it, how to prevent it, all of that good stuff. So what I did, number one, Pop's car does not have quad shocks on it. So got a brand new pair of quad shocks here from L&R and the entire quad shock installation kit. Now here's the thing. Most of these cars have had them removed to clear big wheels and tires. When that happens, the hardware usually gets thrown by the wayside, never to be seen again. So this kit right here is everything you need to get the quad shocks back on your car. And hey, let's get into it. Alright, so wheels off. A couple of things to note here. Just realized this tailpipes came out of adjustment while rubbing tires. Guys, it's always a good idea just to get under your car and look sometimes. But anyway, that being said, here's a couple of things. You need to make sure you got this bracket here. As you can see, it can be removed. So sometimes people will take it off. Most of the time they'll just leave it. Luckily ours is still there. So there's your top mounting point. Here's your bottom mounting point, and of course we've got the hardware already, so let's get this thing in. Guys, real quick note, there's also another term that's called flipping the quad shocks, and what that entails is typically the quad shock installs like this, but you'll notice the shock up here is a lot thinner than it is down here. So the theory is if you flip it this way up here where the tire would be hitting, just past the brake drum, that will allow you a little more clearance. Not a lot, but a little bit more. The other thing about wheel hop is it can also be attributed to worn bushings in your control arms. Now you can fix that by replacing them with a good high quality control arm. Don't buy the cheap stuff. Please don't buy the cheap stuff, or you'll be doing the job twice. The only thing about that is your bushings at the axle, right in there, you have to have a special tool to basically press those out of the rear end housing. All the other bushings are already in the control arms, but that's reason number two why you're going to have wheel hop is your bushings are worn out. But anyway, I'm not talking anymore. Let's get these shocks in. just like that. Quad shock is in. Literal 5-minute installation. Well, it's quick installation. It's not complicated at all. But let me get this other side done, and we'll see what the results are. Alright boys, so quad shocks are installed. Again, not a bad job at all. One quick note I did want to add. If your car doesn't have the brackets on it, this also comes with the hardware, but you will need to have a bracket. I believe LMR has those as well, but this kit does come with the upper mount to body bolts for the quad shocks. But enough of that, let's get it out, see if she wheel hops anymore. I'm pretty sure the problem is solved. Quick update, brand new parts drop from LMR. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram story or not, but this is the lower piece right there where your knees are under the steering column. Typically these attaching points are broken, these tabs are broken, all of that, and of course the foam that goes right here is falling down and or gone. But a huge shout out to LMR. They dropped another banger. It's already got all the little nipples on there. It's got all the clips on there. Comes with the correct attaching hardware and the foam that goes under the dash. All right, boys, that is pretty much gonna wrap it up. I hope that helps. Help you figure out your wheel hop issues, because nothing sucks worse and you can do a lot of damage to several different parts. Not the least of which is your rear end, your U-joints, and the tail shaft of your transmission, along with the associated mounts. So I hope this helps. If it does, big thumbs up. Catch you on the next one.